this pre-prison training. You're introduced to a system that starts to train you and control you. One of the systems is religion. The other system is the school system. The school system is it is it's a camp to control you. It prepares you for jail, prison, uh, the military. hmm Tells you what time to get up, what time to sit down, what type of writing instrument to use, what type of paper should you use. You better not use that kind of paper. Sit up, stand up straight, shoulders back, head up. You cannot eat. I don't care how hungry you are. You cannot eat until 11:15.